Toolkit CS provides the facility to import bulk survey data directly into your properties. Depending on the method you record your survey data, using our surveying application automatically synchronises to Toolkit on return from the inspection. For those of you that prefer compiling survey data in a spreadsheet, this how-to guide will provide you with the steps to import bulk data. You'll need to have saved your data as a comma-separated value .csv format to map your headings to Toolkit building, floor, room and item format. You can do this via Excel. As you come to save it, just save it as .csv, a comma separated variable. So to start off, we need to select and open the property you want to add the survey data to. Same process that we've done a number of times now. Going into Toolkit Home, coming down through your Explorer folder to find the property that you want to add the survey data to. The property tree, depending on previous history with this property, may have buildings and subsequent floors, rooms and items already displayed. So if you're updating, having carried out a re-inspection, the import data will prompt you to overwrite current data. If this is a new building and the first survey, addition is more straightforward. Select the menu bar, clicking on File, you get the option to make use of the Import/Export wizard. Clicking on that, it will start the wizard, and it's simply a case of stepping through, clicking on Next to add various things. So we want to import asbestos survey data from a single property. In this case, having selected that, we're going to go Next, and it's going to search for, allow you the opportunity to search for and find the file that you require. Having found your survey example, looks like an Excel file, but it'd be saved in a comma separated value format that's required by Toolkit, we can open that up. So now I'm going to bring that information in, and the wizard's prompting for a few things here. It's saying, basically with this comment ticked here, saying, does the first row contain field names? I've just opened up the Excel spreadsheet, and let's say the location names, just expand all of those. The spreadsheet covers the location ID, location name, location 2 ID, 2 name and so on. So it is set up with the first row containing field names, is what we're after here. And then it says replace duplicates with items imported. So again, this is where if you've already got those locations set up, which we have in some of the cases here, it's building 1, building 2, that's some of the format that's going to be populated here, then that's the prompt giving me that. I can overwrite that by saying allow duplicates to be created, but I just want the one import, and I only want to see one of each of these at the outset. So I'm going to go Next. I'm happy with that, and then it's picked up my CSV data then with all the location headers and the relevant data in the format that I want it in. Clicking on Next, it's now matching that information across. So these are the match fields, and this is the data to import. It's done that for us through the wizard. If you need to make any changes to this, you've got the option to go through each and make changes, edit, fill, match, and make various changes. But generally, if you've got the spreadsheet right, then this mapping is automatic from within the system. Clicking on Next, it's then saying select import location. So again, it's just going to search out, and I need to come back in and find the import location, and I think it's at that level, and it's to this old school property here. Clicking on Next and clicking on Finish, that will run the wizard. It may take a few minutes, it'll prompt you, but then after that time, still just adding a few bits in there, and that's completed and added that detail in for me. Okay, so it's added the rooms, set them up, ready for us to carry out our survey. And that's how to add bulk data to an asbestos property.